This literature kit on Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck explores the themes of friendship, survival, and prejudice during the time of the Great Depression. This versatile resource for grades 9 to adult allows for large group interaction or independent work as an assessment. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Become familiar with tricky words from the novel prior to reading by using them in a sentence. Conduct some research into bucking barley in the 1930s and describe how it was done, followed by a discussion on the impact it would have on the workers. We include examples from the text that show characters exploiting the weaknesses of others. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Students imagine the story taking place today and rewrite the beginning to reflect this change. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Students list the essential themes of the novel on a bindle organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.